Okay, these ones are modernized for some reason, but this is another building in Arlington Heights. What the heck is that chime? These were probably Dover. Yeah, they were Dover. Fujitec. These are Fujitec. Wacky. These are faster than the other tower. Weird. Weird. Wait, were these Dover? That's not a Dover lantern. The other tower was Dover. Okay, we're gonna really quickly check something. Really fast here. Oh, they modded that too. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if these were Dover or what. That chime is funny. Well, I guess we can go to be in this one. This is the only one that goes to B. Call station's all the way over there. Okay, we'll go back up. Maybe these weren't Dover. And I don't think, these might have been US actually. I don't know.
A bunch of different headsets I have. I have yours too. I have it at home.
Anyway,
It's just that it bothers me when I have to put it inside
that's
my
all.